my name is Billy Stilling. I'm a racing vet cyclist and I'm here to share some of my wisdom and experience with you. I'm going to demonstrate a basic skill of changing a tube when you've had a flat on the side of the road. I carry one of these which goes in your water bottle cage and it contains everything you need. I also put a phone in there, but there's a tube and a bomb. It's quite good to strap the two together to less rattling around, and 2 tyre levers and an Allen key for spares. What we're going to do first is take the tyre off the rim. Put one tyre lever in. Before you've clamped it down onto the spoke, just to keep it open, use the second one to pry away the tyre from the rim, away from you, much easier. If you do that in a circular motion all the way around, the tyre should come off. There you go. Take the levers off. Now it's important to leave half the tyre off and half the tyre on. So leave the inner part of the tyre still there and then try and take the tube out from the side that's already off the rim. Peel it out like this. Right. Now you've got your tyre ready. Put it on your lap in this manner. Take the new tube, which you'll take from here. Find the hole, which is ideal if it's close to you. And what's best to do is just so that the tube gets a little bit of shape, is just to blow a little bit into here. If you have a little hand pump, you can also use the hand pump. Close that valve up again. See, now it's got some sort of shape, so it's going to be harder to pinch with the tyre. Feed the valve in first through the hole. Take the tyre and just make sure that the tube is all one side of the tyre and just feed it in. Like that. Once it's in, start with your thumbs from the valve and start feeding the tyre into the rim again. Make sure that you don't pinch the tube. Even if you work from one side only, there we go, it just feeds around quite easily. Just rotate the rim as you go, and if the last bit's really tough, just take one tyre lever, make sure you don't pinch the tube, and get the last of the tyre on. Then what you must do is, once it is on, just so you've seated the tyre properly and the tube's properly in, just wiggle the tyre like this. Then whatever your method of pumping is, take either the bomb or the little, make sure you don't, on the bomb adapter, when you're traveling with it, keep this sealed. Don't push this all the way in. When you're going to bomb it, put it all the way in, put the bomb on, make sure it's on properly and inflate. It's worth keeping a glove on or something over the bomb when you're doing it, so the cold doesn't stick to your hand. This is going to get cold once the air is in. Otherwise, try and use a pump, hand pump, just to pump up the tyre a little bit, then use a bomb. That way you'll get it much harder, the tyre. And that's pretty much how you change a tube.